Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, we need to simply go to File Explorer and we need to select this PC. Now on this window, simply right click on C drive and open its properties. Then go to Tools tab, and from error checking we have to click on check. So simply select scan drive, and this process will take some time to complete the process, around 10 to 15 seconds. Till then we will simply move to the next method. That will be simply select here and search for services, and on this window just find out Windows Update. So here it is. So simply right click on it, select properties, then set startup type as automatic, click on apply, and we need to start these services. So click on start, then click on apply. Once done, close this window, and also in the background our drive was successfully scanned. Simply close this window, close all windows one by one, then go to search bar, type here virus and threat protection. Simply click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to simply click on quick scan. This will also take some time to complete the process, so we need to wait for it, around 8 to 5 seconds this will take. Till then we will move to the next step. Simply right click on the taskbar and click on task manager, then select run new task, click on browse button, then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now find out system32 folder, simply double click on it to open it and find out cmd file. So here it is, cmd.exe. select it and click on open. Now check this box and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute some commands. Just close the all background windows and just execute these commands. Type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type in dism.exe space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and hit enter. Also this will take some time to complete the process. We need to wait for it, and once done we need to close this, and simply we need to search for Windows memory diagnostic. So click here to open it and simply click on restart. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe our channel.